roundabout. You're on the wrong side of the road. Oh, there's a red light. Oh no.
You're going really,
Do I have to stop?
you guys.
I have to. Oh, green for me.
I got red. No, I got red. Oh, I got green.
Go.
You're on the wrong side. You're supposed to keep left. Who can ride round and round in circles?